big, bigger, biggest, strong, stronger, strongest, fast, faster, fastest, brave, braver, bravest, short, shorter, shortest, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, handsome, more handsome. Type your answer in comment box. Animals and their babies. Dog, puppy, pig, piglet, cat, kitten, horse, foal, duck, duckling, cow, calf, deer, fawn, lion, lion cub, tiger, tiger cub, sheep, lamb, bear, bear cub, father and mother, parents, brother and sister, siblings, husband and wife, spouses, daughter and son, children, grandfather and grandmother, grandparents, granddaughter and grandson, grandchild. POV, point of view. FAQ, frequently asked questions. RIP, rest in peace. VIP, very important person. DIY, do it yourself. JK, type your answer in comment box. LOL, laugh out loud. BTW, by the way. IDC, I don't care. TBH, to be honest. IDK, I don't know. Very cute, adorable, very beautiful, stunning, very handsome, dashing, very loved, adored, very upset, distraught, very hated, despised, very angry, enraged. Some special cases when we use the indefinite articles a and an. Here are some examples. A one-eyed person, a union, a university, a union leader, an honest man, lady or person, an honorable piece. Now you tell me what should we use before our. Type your answer in comment box.